Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? So, a little bit of a late night trading session here. Wasn't even going to take a trade, but I decided to take one because it was just such a high probability chance of winning this trade. And when you see these types of setups, you got to go for them. You got to put in a lot of capital so you can scalp it properly because they don't come up often. And these setups, they come up so often, man. And I tell my Discord group, my elite Discord trading group, all of the information. So you're going to see below that I showed them all of this. I'm like, yo, guys, maybe you should probably take this trade. And then whoever ended up taking the trade, bam, they got in on it too. So I run a Discord group that has an elite tier section. And that's exactly where you guys need to be if you want to see the trades that I make, where you can also get in on them. So I'll see you guys later. Bam! Guys, enjoy the live trade. Like I said, elite group. I'm looking at a possible break on ARC for a quick scalp to finish a fifth wave. And that's exactly what it ended up doing. And I took a $1,900 profit. So enjoy this live trade. I hope that you learn a tremendous amount from it. And if you guys are interested, make sure you're DMing me to get into the elite tier group. Only 5 people can join a month and they fill up very fast. So I'm already looking for members to join for October. That's coming up already. Only 5 members can join. DM me for more info. Enjoy the live trade. Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going today? So I'm looking at ARC right now, and I think that it's a beautiful possibility of a breakout to the upside. And the reason for that is because my super trend indicator here is showing multiple bounces on the green, as you can see right there. Also, it looks like there's missing one wave. So you can see there's only a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Where's the 5? There's got to be a 5 somewhere down over here. So because it's missing a 5, I'm very interested in longing it. Also, this yellow line right here, this one right there that I'm moving, you can see that it was a resistance that broke. There's 3 resistances that ended up breaking above it. And then the wave 4 happens to bounce at that yellow line and also at my super trend indicator. So because of all of these reasons, it makes me long it. Not only that, if you see this slope trend line resistance as well, it just looks like it's getting ready to break to the upside. So this looks like a very prime price to be entering a trade right now. And I think that there's a lot of potential to maybe even hit the top side of this channel again. If you zoom out on a different time frame, like a 1 hour, what you're going to see is this huge resistance and also support. This looks like a channel. So because it looks like a channel, I think that there's still ways for it to go. I don't think there's any ifs, ands, or buts. That yellow line broke to the upside. We're missing a few waves. I mean, overall, this is most likely the wave structure in here, which I'll show you. So this seems to just make a lot of sense to me to take on this risk. 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and then a 5 is going to complete to finish off a very sloppy fifth wave. But yeah, so my stop loss would be a little bit below that yellow line. So the bulls are starting to show their massive momentum right now. I'm in a position for about $130,000. Small position for me. Usually I'm in at least a $250,000. But it's already 8 p.m. and I'm not in the mood to trade. I'm in the mood to do some other things tonight, working on the side on other projects like the course. So now we're up $266. $1,000 a day, it keeps a real job away. So let's see if this is going to end up breaking to the upside, if there's any change in the momentum. So the yellow line still holds. This one right there, it still holds. It bounces actually. So let's see if the momentum can keep going. But based off of everything and how it's looking so far, it has the momentum to go to the upside. The MACD is crossing over to the upside. This has what I call the Wi-Fi signature curve that I invented. This signature curve is powerful, where it makes an arc like that, hits a bottom, and boom, it pops to the upside upon the break and the change. See that? So I've seen that multiple times in my life. And every time that I see something like this happens, there's a rally to the upside. And we see that the indicator of mine, this green one, it turned to red and now it's back to the green. So let's see if this is going to continue. I'm looking for very nice momentum going upwards right now. We got some support multiple times on that yellow line.
Just give me a rally. Show me where the money is. I'm not asking for much. I'm just asking for like $2,000. Or I'm even happy with $1,000 scalp. I'm okay with that too. I'm not asking for much at all. Can't the man be daring and dream for a little bit more than what he wants or has? I think he can. And I think that this trade is going to be a great trade to take to do that. Alrighty, the coin started to rally a little bit. I'm up a tiny bit, but not that much. But it's starting to kind of go. Like I mentioned, it looks like it's going to go. My girlfriend is so distracting. Like, she's unbelievably, like, not considerate of my time. She just wants to talk all day and travel all night and eat at nice dinners and never let me trade and just just kidding. She's amazing. I love her so much. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on this trade. What do you guys think, huh? Yeah, we're doing pretty good on this trade. We're gonna let it ride a little bit. But I'm happy. I'm happy with my 1% profit. I mean, like, I said that I was gonna make 1%, right? Still going. There's no point of me taking any of my profits. Like, still going and checking RSI. RSI is going up right now. Like, it's looking good. There's just no point of me taking my profit. As much as I want to take my profit, I'm riding the RSI. That one was not a good candle, the last one, but like, the volume is diminishing. I don't like that. So I hope it picks up soon. I mean, this is good enough for me. $2,000. Boom. Boom! Boom! Bam! Let's post it in my group, guys. I told my Discord group, Elite group, I'm looking for a possible break on ARC for a quick scalp to finish a fifth. And bam, guys, $1,875 profit. Bam!